The SUMIFS function in Excel is used when you want to make multiple comparisons, and based on the results of those comparisons, you want to total anything that will meet those criteria. In this example, we have our grade book with our students, majors, the classification of each, freshman, sophomore, and so forth, and the number of absences. Now, what we want to do in this SUMIF example is we want to sum the number of absences for freshmen who are IT majors. Our majors are here in column C. Classification for freshmen will be in D. And we want to add the number of absences from column E. Now, let's go in and find that sum if S. And we are using the if S because we want to meet multiple criteria. So in this case, the student needs to be a freshman and an IT major. So you have two criteria it needs to meet. In that case, you use the if S. If it was just freshmen or just IT majors, you could use the sum if, but we want both. In this case, the sum range is going to be the number of absences, and the criteria range, it does not matter which order in which you enter these. You can say freshman or IT majors first. So let's just go with our major. Should be IT. And the second criteria would be the freshman, which the classification is in column D. The criteria would be FR.